Hello, fellow traders. You're welcome back to River FX, the home of trading strategy. That is, if you are usually a member of this channel. But if you're just joining, you're welcome. First of all, I'm going to say this. I'm going to be dropping this trading strategy completely for free. Completely for free. Down in the Telegram channel. So if you need this trading strategy, watch this video down to the end. Go into the channel, write the description of this video, join in and download the trading strategy completely for free. I would not be happy someone coming down in the comment section and asking me something I've already covered in this video. Please patiently watch it through to the end without skipping. Now let's get into it. This trading strategy is based on the Fibonacci retracement tool, a popular tool that we all know. And when you hear Fibonacci, don't just go away. Probably you don't trade the Fibonacci. You could be a breakout trader. Now this strategy is for you. This trading system is for you. Now I'm going to go through. I'm currently testing it out on GBP CHF, but it works on any currency pair: GBP JPY, GBP CAD, XAU USD, GBP AUD. The one thing I didn't test this out on is stock indices, but you can test that out yourself. Now let's see how this strategy works. Let's see how it works, and I might add, I removed the dashboard. I don't like the dashboard, but if you want to use a dashboard, probably you're a beginner or you don't really understand the system, you can leave the dashboard here. It tells you where to set your stop loss, and these are your provisional take profits. And as you can see, this is plus, this is plus, this is plus. All entries were hit. So let's see. So what happens is it creates a zone, right? Like we have right here. This is the zone that was created here. And the moment it broke out, the moment this broke out, sometimes it might break out, bring a retest to the Fibonacci level based on what the system was built, and it gives this buy signal. And you can see TP1 was hit. So if you are a break-even trader, probably someone who trades quickly, few pips into profit, and you break even, then the rest of it would have hit you at break even. But if not, your stop loss was hit. Let's move on. So in this case, we have another zone created right here. On the breakout, you enter. The arrow must have popped out, and your stop loss, it will tell you where to set your stop loss, like I said, on the dashboard, somewhere around here or somewhere around here. And first TP was hit, and if you had broken even, it would stop you out of break even. If not, it came back here, acted as it was going to take you out, it dilly-dallied a little, and then pushed down to the second TP, and the third TP was also hit. So that's that. Yeah, look at another. This one gave us a marvelous 5 TPs. Breakout happened right here. You would have entered. It would have given you a position to set your stops. TP1 smashed instantly. TP2 smashed also. Third TP smashed. The fourth TP hit. And probably if you set your stops around here, you would have been safe because of this spike. Probably this is some form of news or so. And at this point, your fourth provisional take profit was hit. Let me see if I can find one more. If not, call it a day. Yeah, I got one more. All right, guys. So breakout happened. Stop loss should be previous low, and TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 and TP5. And note, this is the H1 time frame. So you see, when you cover all of those moves, it is not small. Now look at that from, let's say, here. There's some huge move right there. So I think that's all for this. Okay, one more. Oh, I even got two more. Wow, wow. Still got more. Wonderful. So let me show you some more. Let me show you some more. Um, this was this. TP was hit. This was this. TP was hit. I do not want this video to be too long. And look at another one right here. So this is just about it, guys. When you go into the channel, make sure you plug this in a demo account, test it out to be sure that you know how to use it when you go live. Please kindly like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. That is how you say thank you to me. I appreciate you all, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.